themed Asia in the World, Common Challenges, Shared Responsibilities, the Boao Forum for Asia Annual Conference 2024 will be held from March 26 to 29 in Boao, South China's Hainan province. Boao boasts the permanent venue of BFA, a non-governmental and non-profit international organization founded to promote regional economic development and cooperation. Since the founding of BFA in 2001, Boao has undergone tremendous changes, transforming from a small fishing village into a name card of Hainan, which features modernity and vibrancy. The transformation of Boao has also spurred the development of the local tourism industry, with homestays, restaurants, and bars springing up. Currently, there are more than 100 such businesses, and the local population has increased from just over 9,000 in 23 years ago to more than 30,000 today.